Hi there, what's your name?
My name is Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam. I hear you're not feeling well today. Can you tell me, what's bothering you?
I feel really hot and tired.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let's see if we can make you feel better. First, I'm going to check your temperature. You do have a fever. How long have you been feeling this way?
Since yesterday.
Have you noticed anything else? Like a sore throat, cough, or runny nose?
My throat hurts a little, and I have a bit of a cough.
Thank you for telling me. Have you been drinking lots of water?
Not really. I don't like water much.
Drinking water is very important, especially when you're sick. It helps your body stay strong and fight off germs. Do you like juice or milk?
I like apple juice.
That's great. Apple juice can help too. Just make sure you drink lots of fluids. How about eating? Have you been able to eat your meals?
I ate some soup, but I didn't feel like eating much.
Soup is a good choice when you're not feeling well. Try to eat small amounts of food that you like, even if you're not very hungry. Your body needs energy to get better. Do you get enough sleep at night?
Sometimes I stay up late to play games.
It's fun to play games, but getting enough sleep is really important for your health. Try to go to bed early, so your body can rest and recover. How about playing outside? Do you get to play and exercise?
Yes, I like to play soccer with my friends.
That's wonderful. Playing outside and getting exercise helps keep you healthy and strong. Just remember to rest when you're not feeling well. Do you wash your hands regularly, especially before eating and after playing?
Sometimes, but I forget.
Washing your hand is one of the best ways to prevent getting sick. It helps get rid of germs that can make you feel bad. Try to make it a habit to wash your hands with soap and water often. What do you do when you cough or sneeze?
I usually use my hands.
It's better to cough or sneeze into a tissue to stop germs from spreading. Can you try doing that from now on?
I can try that.
Good. Now I'm going to give you some medicine to help with your fever. Make sure to follow the instructions and tell your parents if you're not feeling better soon.
Okay, I will. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome, Sam. Take care and get lots of rest. You'll be back to playing soccer in no time. And remember, drink lots of fluids, eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, wash your hands, and cover your coughs and sneezes. These are all great habits to stay healthy.